It's Friday, fool, and you need this tool. Welcome back to another glorious episode of It's Friday, fool, you need this tool. My name is Kyle Voss, and on Fridays, not really here recently, I bring you a tool that I use in the shop or that I've featured on this channel. So it's been a minute. I know that it's been a minute. Lots going on, fellas. Lots going on. Stay tuned. I'll let you know all about it. This week's tool comes in this nice carrying case, and I will say that this is probably more of a unboxing style review than a you need this tool, because I've only just played with this tool a little bit. So this company sent it to me, was like, hey, would you be interested in, you know, doing a you need this tool on it? And I was like, yeah, it looks like a pretty interesting tool. Send it on over, I'll check it out. So I don't have a ton of experience with it other than like just playing with it, like I said. And that is the Teslong, I hope I'm saying that right. Teslong, can you see the, anyway, endoscope. So basically, long story short, it's just a scope, and a really long one at that. So, gosh, how long is this thing? This thing's got to be at least 15 foot, 12 foot. Really, honestly, to be honest with you, if we're being honest, it's probably 10 foot longer than I need, mainly because the stuff I'm gonna be doing would be, you know, looking inside looking at cylinder walls, inside engines. You know, you pull a spark plug off, you can send that thing down there. You can kind of check out, see what's going on. Maybe some transmission clutch type stuff. And 15 foot is just not really needed for me, but I guess for somebody that would need it, it's nice to have it. So anyway, it comes with this long scope. This thing has an LED light on the end of it with a camera. Actually, I don't know if the camera's here or if it just transfers. Maybe the camera's inside. No, camera's definitely in here, because on this end, it just has some prong connectors. So anyway, this is the NTS500. Comes with this little screen. Let's just connect this thing up and check it out. All right, there you go. She's connected. Turn this bad boy on. Fired up, screen just lights up. Yeah, you're actually seeing and you see me now. Can you hear me now? Very, very good quality, feels like to me. I mean, it feels like a tool that would last, you know, forever. The screen quality's nice. You can really actually see better than I thought you would be able to. And I don't even know what I guess I could look it up. But if I had to guess, that's gotta be like at least 1080p. Super nice. Super nice camera, super nice screen. It's got some other doodads on here, like a light on this side. You can turn on and off. It's also, you can turn the light on and off on the camera itself, I think. Oh, yeah. So you can turn it off, and then it has different settings, so you can dial it down if it's too bright. So that's cool. Let's see if we can do like a see me, I see you. So anyway, there you go. This thing will be rad for just anytime you need to get in a space that you can't see. You know, cylinder walls, intake runners would be great if you need to look at the backside of valves. That'd be awesome. Exhaust tubing if you need to get in there. Clutch, bell housing if you need to get up in there and kind of look around. Or not even necessarily in holes or in, you know, in engines and stuff. Like if you just needed to get down and look underneath something and you just can't quite see it. You know, I've been guilty myself of using trying to use mirrors to kind of see what the heck I'm doing, or to see something. You drop something, you're just trying to get down in an engine bay, you can't really tell what the heck's going on. This right here would do it. Now, like I said, I hadn't played with this thing a ton, One thing I could tell that would be nice is if you could like rotate the camera with the monitor, because as you can see, you know, camera may not always be orientated the way that you'd want it to be. So there you go. Teslong NTS500 industrial endoscope. You can use it for whatever you want it to, whatever you need it to, make your life easier. I will drop you some links in the description, as I always do. Glad to be back on a Friday Fool. Can't guarantee I'll be here next Friday, but I do want to get out some more content on the Bibster and that sort of stuff. Gonna have a video post tomorrow, kind of letting you know what's been going on here in the shop. Started a new podcast, so I'd actually appreciate it if you go check it out, give me some feedback. It's on YouTube. It's really streaming anywhere you can listen to podcasts. It's called the South CAC Syndicate Podcast. I'll drop you a link in the description for that as well, to the YouTube channel. Go check those out. Still trying to work out some issues as far as the quality of camera footage and whatever, but go over there, check it out, subscribe if you want to kind of follow along, and definitely give me some feedback. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. It's Friday Fool. That's it. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. You need this tool. How do I even finish these things? I forget how to. Alright guys, that's all I got for you this week. As always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys some more this week. It's Friday, fool.